I am Timothy Egan. I'm superintendent of schools here in the Kings Park Central School District. We've been researching solar for probably the good part of about 7 years. The goal was to try to come as close as we could to zeroing out our school electric-wise.
So Energia was our energy architects with our $18.5 million energy performance contract, our EPC. And they helped us from the conceptual right through the construction, which we're nearly finished with now.
One of the challenges we had at our school was the very long walkway, as you can see, heading into the building. So what the canopy provides is shelter from the bad elements. It provides shade on the really hot days when we're waiting out here in the morning. And it really helps visitors and students get to the school safer.
So as a professional energy engineer, serving on the board, it's extremely important that the district look toward sustainability and energy savings when it comes to its impact with our community, taxpayers, as well as our scholars.
For our school to be going into energy saving protocols to help with a bigger issue is something I'm really proud of.
I don't have to worry about getting wet or getting snow on me in the morning, and I could just walk to class easier.
Solar canopy will save it a lot of money in the long run because we don't have to rely on the fossil fuels that are very expensive right now.
The cost savings is a huge benefit as well. Sustainable energy, reducing the amount of fossil fuels we use.
Parents in general have been inquisitive as well, but, super supportive of the fact that we continue to try to go green and lower our carbon footprint, but most importantly, try to save money and try to save the community money through their taxes.
With the advances of the carport of our solar rooftop panels, it affords us close to $400,000 a year in savings. And who can beat that?
Oftentimes we meet with companies and they'll promise us things and they don't follow through, especially when it comes to working with our scholars. And the one thing that Energia did was promise to provide experiential learning. And the partnership is so key. And as a superintendent, it's one thing getting a product that works. And listen, at the end of the day, there are so many other competing companies. We could have gone with anyone, but it's the partnership, it's the relationship that matters. And that's what makes this really a successful initiative.
We work in a business that is very relationship oriented. Yes, we were about the project, but it was about creating and sustaining that relationship and working together. And we were true partners trying to make this project happen.
Well, what I really liked about working with Energia, it assuaged me and the superintendent at the time, our fears of an EPC, and showed us how it could work for us. I am not an energy architect. I am not an energy specialist, but Energia had staff that work, and it looks like it really, really will work well.
To actually hear that our classrooms are cool and the kids are fine and the kids are happy and they get to be in a classroom where the environment is conducive to learning, that just warms my heart. And I have to say that in the 10 years I've been a superintendent, this is the first time that I've experienced this. And it really brings joy to know that my kids are doing well and that, no matter what the temperature is outside, inside, I know that we are creating an environment that's going to encourage them to be the best version of themselves. And so just thank you.